So shall we start? Thank you so much, Shruti.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, just for hearts, for this big platform. Namaste, everyone. Namaste, all the people right now joining me for this webinar. I welcome you all to this webinar. Yeah. So, Shruti introduced me to all of you. So, let us start this today's session, that is the pranayama for respiratory health. Yes. So, what is pranayama? Yes. So, do you want to experience pranayama or prana right now? Yes. So, let us experience prana shakti by doing something rather than by talking. Yes. So, what we will do, we'll just start shaking our hands. You sit straight. Make sure you are sitting straight, and then let's start shaking our hands. I hope you all are doing along with me. Shake, 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 shake. Nicely. Faster. See, if there is any rings in your fingers, they should fall down. That much fast you have to shake.
Sorry to interrupt you, Isha.
Yes.
I would like to request the participants, they can keep the video on.
Yeah, that will be nice actually. I
Yeah.
cannot see anyone otherwise.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
start again. Let's join, make everyone. Tell everyone to put their videos on.
You can start the session, Isha. They'll join. You can continue with the session.
Will join?
Yes, yes, they'll be
Then
joining.
can I
You can
start
continue.
again? Okay, okay, sure. So let's start shaking. Continue shaking your hands. Keep breathing through nose. Very good. I hope you all are doing along with me. That is very important to experience this. Keep your eyes closed if you can. And now keep shaking your hands. We should learn this from cat and dogs. They throw each type of dust, dirt out of the body just by shaking. Shake, 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 shake a little more faster. Keep breathing through nose. And with your eyes closed, just relax your hands on your thighs. Your eyes are closed and your palms are facing towards the ceiling or sky. And just observe these tingling sensations in your hands. इस वक्त आपके हाथों में जो भी संवेदनाएं हो रही हैं, ध्यान उस ओर ले जाएं. Bring your attention towards the sensations. Keep your eyes closed. Whole attention inside your body. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and breathe out. Very good. Slowly and gradually, you may open your eyes. So have you noticed these sensations in your hands right now? What are these sensations? These sensations are nothing but this is your प्राण शक्ति. ये संवेदना और कुछ नहीं, आप प्राण शक्ति है. Yes. So what is pranayama? Yes, you know, prana is the universal life force which is running the life on this planet. Yes. So inside our body also. So what is the difference between a dead body and a live body? Alive body. The difference is only one. Yes. So in dead body there is no prana, and in our body, in a live person, there is a prana. So when a person leaves the prana, what we call, or this person's body leaves the prana. Yeah, इस person ने अपने प्राणों को त्याग दिया है. So prana is the running life force in our body. Yeah, प्राण जो है, प्राण ऊर्जा जो है हमारे शरीर को चलाती है. या उसी को प्राण शक्ति कहते हैं. So what is pranayama? Yeah, the prana, you know now the prana. What is prana? Prana is the running life force. And ayama is something to regulate or to channelize the prana in a right direction. Yes. So when we do some breathing techniques to regulate the prana shakti in our body, that is called pranayama. Yes. So now I'm going to tell you a very important information that we cannot regulate. We can only regulate our pranas on the level of our breath. You know, because prana is a very suksham entity, is a very small entity in our body, and breath is the gross manifestation of prana. Yes. जो हमारी श्वास है वो हमारे प्राण की एक बड़ी अभिव्यक्ति है. So with the help of some breathing techniques, we can actually regulate our prana shakti or our pranas. Okay, clear? Very good. Yes. So now let us do some very interesting thing. What is that? So now let us check how we are breathing. Now let us check our breathing. As I told you, we can regulate our prana on the with the help of some breathing techniques. So first of all, let us understand the breathing. Yeah, it is very important to understand the correct way of breathing. Okay, very good. So what we will do, we will place our right hand. This is your right hand. Okay, my left is your right. Place your right hand on your navel region or on your stomach. Now make sure your back is straight. You are sitting straight on your both of your hips, on your hip bone. You can sit on the chair also. You can sit on the bed also, wherever you are sitting. Even you can take wall support also. But make sure during practicing pranayama, your back should be straight and your lungs and chest nicely. It is said in the scriptures that we should practice pranayama with as we are a warrior. Yes. So place your right hand on our right hand on our navel or our stomach, and left hand on our thigh. Palm facing the ceiling or sky. Now, what you have to do is, when I will say inhale, जब मैं कहूंगी कि श्वास भरें, तब आपको चेक करना है कि आपका पेट कहाँ जा रहा है. Where your stomach is going on inhalation. और सांस छोड़ते हुए आपका पेट कहाँ जा रहा है. ठीक है? So let's do together. You can close your eyes in this. Yeah, close your eyes. Relax your shoulders, relax your facial muscles. A gentle smile on your face. Very good. So let's do together. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. श्वास भरें और छोड़ें. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. As you breathe out, relax your hands and slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. Very good. So tell me, I know with some of people when you are inhaling, your stomach might going out and on exhalation stomach might comes in. हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के साथ सांस लेती बार पेट बाहर जा रहा हो और सांस छोड़ती बार पेट अंदर आ रहा हो. Yes? Now let's understand. Just imagine our stomach is like a balloon. मान लीजिए हमारा पेट एक गुब्बारे जैसा है. Yes? तो क्या होता है जब हम गुब्बारे में हवा भरते हैं तो क्या होता है? गुब्बारे में जब हम हवा भरते हैं तो इट शुड एक्सपैंड, यह फूलना चाहिए. तो हमारा पेट भी जब हम सांस लेते हैं और सांस भरते हैं तो पेट बाहर की ओर फूलना चाहिए और सांस छोड़ते हुए पेट कंप्रेस होना चाहिए और अंदर जाना चाहिए. ठीक है? इट इज ऑपोजिट. सांस लिया हमने, पेट बाहर आया और सांस छोड़ा तो पेट अंदर गया. मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि अगर इसका ऑपोजिट आप कर रहे हो तो आप गलत श्वास ले रहे हो. नो. यस, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आवर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, हमारे इमोशंस किस तरह से हैं, हम क्या सोच रहे हैं, डिफरेंट इमोशंस के साथ हमारा ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न जो है वो चेंज होते रहते हैं. So it's okay, no problem at all. Okay, so now we will take breathing with attention. अब जब हम सांस लेंगे, नाक से सांस लेंगे, just understand the breathing mechanism. We'll inhale through nose. हमने नाक से सांस लिया, हमारे फेफड़े फूल गए, our lungs expands and there is a diaphragm below our lungs. हमारे रिब केज के नीचे एक मेम्ब्रेन है जिसको डायफ्राम कहते हैं, वो नीचे जाएगा और हमारा स्टमक बाहर आएगा. Our stomach should come out. And opposite or reverse of it, on exhalation, lungs compress and exhalation comes to nose. Clear? समझ आ रहा है? Very good, lovely, super. So now let us breathe according to, we'll breathe in this way only. Now जितने भी हम आगे एक्सरसाइज और प्राणायाम करेंगे, हम सांस लेती बार पेट बाहर लाएंगे और सांस छोड़ती बार पेट को अंदर लेकर जाएंगे. इस बात का आप केवल ध्यान रखें. ओके? अच्छा, मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ओके, लॉन्ग एंड डीप ब्रीदिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर रेस्पिरेटरी हेल्थ, कि लंबी गहरी सांसें लेना चाहिए, लंबी गहरी सांस लेना बहुत अच्छा है. ऐसा क्यों? इसलिए व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस? Why it is so important to take long and deep breaths? Yeah, you know, it is a research on this topic that 90% of toxins can be released out of the body with the help of breath. 90% बीमारियां शरीर से बाहर निकाली जा सकती हैं सांस के माध्यम से. Yes, ये हम सब जानते हैं. Yes, तो you know, जब हम लंबी और गहरी सांस ले रहे हैं, हम और कुछ नहीं कर रहे. जस्ट सपोज जैसे मैंने सांस ली, इट्स नॉट ओनली हम सांस ले रहे हैं और सांस छोड़ रहे हैं. नो, यू नो, बहुत कुछ हो रहा है हमारी बॉडी में. जब हम सांस ले रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन अंदर जा रहा है, हमारा ऑक्सीजन को डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी पंप कर रहा है. सपोज, so if when we are giving more oxygen to our organs, how nicely they will work. कितना अच्छे से हमारे सारे अंग काम करेंगे. Yes, you know, it is very important to increase our lung capacity. Why we feel low? क्यों हम जल्दी से जल्दी बीमार हो जाते हैं? Why there is very less immunity in our body? Why? This everything is related with prana shakti. Yes. So lower the prana shakti, less happy we will be, and more the lung capacity, more happy, more healthy, and more disease free we will be. Yes, this is the very important science behind it. Okay, cool. So now let us talk about. Now we will do some very important breathing that is called full yogic breathing. Okay. As I'm telling about lung capacity, you know, our lung has 3 parts. हमारे जो फेफड़े हैं उसके 3 parts हैं. Lower part, middle part and upper part. Okay. तो हम क्या करेंगे? अभी सांस भरेंगे और अपने एब्डोमेन को अच्छे से एक्सपैंड करेंगे, पेट को अच्छे से एक्सपैंड करेंगे। और जब हम ऐसा करेंगे, हमारा जो लोअर लोब है, लोअर पार्ट है जो हमारे फेफड़ों का, वो एक्सपैंड होगा। Then we will continue breathing and will expand our chest also. Chest will expand to the front, to the side, and on the back also. And then we will do this. Our middle part of the lungs will get expand. In this way, we will increase our lung capacity. Okay, this is called full yogic breathing. Okay, so let's do together. Place your both hands on our thighs, palm facing the ceiling or sky. Do not block your hands like this. Open up your palm, back straight, chest straight. Relax your shoulders and a gentle smile on your face. Very good. And let's close our eyes. आंखें बंद कर लें. एक साथ करेंगे. Firstly, let's take a normal breath in. एक साधारण श्वास भरें और छोड़ें. एक और सांस अंदर और छोड़ें. फुल यॉगिक ब्रीदिंग के लिए श्वास भरें. ब्रीथ इन, एक्सपैंड योर एब्डोमेन, expand your stomach nicely out. Continue breathing now. Expand your chest up. Your shoulders will lift up slightly. And as you exhale, take your navel in and squeeze your chest in also. Continue. It's like a rhythm. Like a rhythm, you are going up and coming down. Make a wave-like structure with your spine. And more you will make a wave-like structure with your spine. More deeply you can breathe. Very good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Just believe with every inhalation, breathe in. Inhale more oxygen. And exhale. Breathe in. Nicely fill your lungs with oxygen. And as you breathe out, pull your navel in, compress your lungs in. Breathe in, stomach comes out, chest expands. And as you exhale, stomach goes in and compress your lungs. Breathe in, breathe out, continue. Breathe in, breathe out. Do not forget to smile. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2 more times. Breathe in, nicely inhale. Exhale. Your whole attention on your breath. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your body. Observe what is happening inside your body. पूरा ध्यान शरीर के भीतर. Slowly and gradually, you may open your eyes. Relax. Very good. relax. Okay, cool. So now we will do some Sukshma yoga practices. While sitting only we can do that. Back straight. So what we will do, we'll start with our neck. We'll move our neck now along with our breath. With every movement, we'll join our breath also. Okay, see how to do this. Chin to the chest. As you inhale, move your neck from right side back. And as you exhale, your neck is continue. Breathe in and breathe out. Our neck, breath, and mind in one line. Breathe in and breathe out. You can close your eyes. आंखें बंद कर सकते हैं. पूरा ध्यान अपनी गर्दन पर इस वक्त. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's repeat the same on opposite direction now. Anti-clock. Breathe in and breathe out. As you are breathing in, nicely expand your lungs. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Relax your neck after this round. Now we'll pump our shoulders. And we'll inhale and exhale through nose and nicely we'll pump our lungs also. See how to do this. Let's do together. You can relax your knees. If there is any shoulder pain, then do slowly. Okay, let's do together. Nicely pump your lungs also. Breathe in, tuck your shoulders up and hold the breath up. कंधों को कानों के साथ लगा ले, सांस को रोक ले और मुंह से छोड़ेंगे. And relax your shoulders. Very good. Let's do once again. Breathe in. Shoulders in with the ears. Hold the breath. And exhale through mouth. कंधों को ढीला छोड़ दें. Relax your shoulders. Very good. Now place your both hands on your shoulders. दोनों हाथों को कंधों पर रखिए. We'll do shoulder rotations now. Very good. With breath, along with breath. सांस भरते हुए दोनों elbows को जोड़ ले, ऊपर लेकर जाएं और साइड से. Very good. 200%. Very good. आज हम अपने शरीर के कण कण में ऑक्सीजन देंगे. Very good. सांसों के साथ और छोड़ें. अच्छे से स्ट्रेच करें अपने लंग्स को. ओपन अप योर चेस्ट 100%. वेरी गुड. Anti-clock direction now. Join your elbows and take your elbows back. Out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In and out. One more time. In. Very good. Relax your arms. Relax your hands. Very good. Relax. Beautiful. So now, okay. Hold your knee with the opposite hand like this. Yes. And other hand on the back. See how to do this. Other hand on the back. Now stretch back. Simply just twist your waist. Look back. Stretch back nicely. You are looking back from your right shoulder. सांसें लेते रहिए और छोड़ते रहिए. And when you're inhaling, your stomach is going out. Relax. Opposite side करेंगे now. Same will perform on opposite side. Hold your knee. Opposite hand. Look back. Breathe here nicely. Observe your breath. पूरा ध्यान अपनी सांस पर. Check your stomach, where your stomach is going on inhalation and exhalation. Relax. Very good. Relax. Now we'll inhale. सांस भरते हुए दोनों हाथों को साइड से ऊपर लेकर जाएं. Nicely stretch up. Lengthen your spine up. Very good. Interlock your fingers and stretch your hands out. Very nice. Just suppose someone is pulling your hands up. मान लीजिए कोई आपके हाथों को ऊपर खींच रहा है. Nicely stretch up. Now breathe here nicely. Do not forget to smile. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस भरें, छोड़ें, श्वास भरें, छोड़ें, श्वास भरें. And bend towards your right side. Slowly and gradually bend to the right side or any side you can bend and feel the stretch. Now your lungs are expanding from the side also. Breathe here nicely. Inhale, center, सांस भरते हुए बीच में, छोड़ते हुए opposite side. Now your lungs are spreading, compressing, and expanding to the opposite side. Very good. Inhale, center, and exhale. Relax your hands down. Very good. Very good. Feel the stretch in your lungs this time. Very good. Now what we will do, inhale, take your both hands out. Just suppose you are going to hug this whole universe. आप इस पूरे विश्व को गले लगाने वाले हो. So make a nice and expand your hands to the side nicely. Open up your chest and breathe fully. Breathe from your chest nicely. Inhale. And as you exhale, try to hug this whole universe. Just imagine you are hugging the whole universe in your arms. And now compress your back, upper back. You can see the side view, how to do from the side. Breathe in, open up your chest, nicely take your hands back. Expand your lungs, expand your chest. And as you exhale, slightly curve your back and hug this whole universe in your arms. One more time, we will do one like this time. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe in, open up chest, expand to the front. And exhale, hug this whole universe. पूरे विश्व को गले लगाएं. And relax. Very good. Relax. Keep your eyes closed for a few seconds. आंखें बंद रखें. आपका पूरा ध्यान शरीर के अंदर. Just observe each and every sensations, vibrations, whatever you are feeling this time. पूरा ध्यान अपने शरीर के भीतर. Whole attention inside your body. Just be one with yourself. This is the time for self-talk. यह खुद से बात करने का समय है. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. The mind is becoming more calmer and calmer. So now with this calm mind, we will learn one more very important and best pranayama to increase our lung capacity to the 100%. Yeah, this is called bellow breath or Bhastrika pranayama. Okay. Now, Bhastrika pranayama is the best pranayama to increase our lung capacity like this. Yes. So, if there is anyone who has high blood pressure issues, they practice slowly. Okay. Rest, everyone can practice this fully. So, I will demonstrate in front of you. Just see how to do this. You can sit in Sukhasana also in cross-leg position, and those who can sit in Vajrasana, they can sit in Vajrasana also. So Vajrasana is just joining your feet together and opening up your heels and simply just sit on your heels like this. Why so? Very easy. Very good. Lovely. So in Vajrasana you will sit. Now see how to do this. We'll place our both. We'll make a close and loose fist. We'll make a हम अपनी एक बंद मुट्ठी और ढीली मुट्ठी कंधों के समानांतर parallel to the shoulders will keep like this, and this time your elbows are touching to the ribs. Yes, very good, perfect. So when I will say inhale, you have to inhale. आपको सांस लेना है. Inhale and our palm will open up like this. सांस भरते हुए हमारी मुट्ठी ऊपर जाके खुल जाएगी. It's like you are catching something from up and then make fist and come down like this. Okay, हमें ऊपर जाना है, मुट्ठी खोलनी है, कुछ पकड़ना है और वापस नीचे आना है. और सांस के साथ करेंगे. हम नाक से सांस लेंगे और नाक से ही सांस छोड़ेंगे. We'll inhale through nose and exhale through nose only. Okay, just like a pump to the ribs. See how to do this continuously now. As I will say, inhale. So we are inhaling very nicely till up and exhaling through nose. Now make sure if something is coming out of your nose, do not worry. Let it come out. It's okay. Okay? Let's do together now. Let's take position for Bhastrika Pranayama. First round. Close and loose fist parallel to the shoulders, back straight, chin up. Very good. Shoulders relaxed. And now close your eyes. Those who understand, they can close your eyes. First, let's take normal breath in. And breathe out. One more normal breath in. And breathe out. For Bhastra, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 9, in 10, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, and relax. Eyes closed. Your both hands on your thighs. Close your eyes. Your palm is opening up towards the ceiling. पूरा ध्यान शरीर के भीतर उच्च ऊर्जा की ओर. Whole attention towards the increasing energy this time in your body. Observe the sensations. एक हो जाएं के साथ इस वक्त. Relax. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your shoulders. आंखें बंद रखेंगे. अब हम 2 और राउंड्स करेंगे, but we will not open our eyes. आंखें नहीं खोलेंगे. We'll close last 2 rounds with eyes closed now. Let's get ready for second round of Bhastrika. Keep your eyes closed. Just listen to the instructions. केवल निर्देश सुने और आंखें बंद रखें. Let's take a normal breath in out. One more deep breath in and breathe out. For Bhastrika, breathe in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, and relax. Keep your eyes closed. Full attention inside your body. पूरा ध्यान शरीर के भीतर. Wherever there is sensations inside your body, bring your attention towards the sensations. Let's get ready for third and last round on Bhastrika. Take positions, close and loose fists parallel to the shoulders. On inhalation, will take hands up and on exhale, normal in breathe out. 1, in 2, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, and relax, eyes closed, whole attention inside your body. पूरा ध्यान शरीर के भीतर उठ रही ऊर्जा की ओर. Keep your eyes closed and you can sit in cross-legged position now. आप सुखासन में बैठ सकते हैं. If you want, you can relax your legs also. आंखें बंद रखें. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your facial muscles and relax your shoulders. So now we will do one more very beautiful pranayama. So this Bhastrika pranayama is actually a immunity booster pranayama. It is very good for our respiratory health and it improves our immunity, which is very, very important this time. Yeah, because it relaxes the mind. Yes, very good. So now the Shitkari pranayama will do. It's also a cooling pranayama and it is very, very good for our lung capacity, to increase our lung capacity. Okay, so in this pranayama also we'll focus on our inhalation and exhalation. So see how to do this. We'll touch our teeth one above the another like this. As we brush our teeth like this, yes, like this, we'll open up our mouth and joining the teeth. Yes, like this. So now we'll inhale from the side gap of our mouth, like this. See. Inhale till this point nicely, then close your mouth and exhale through nose. Very good. Let's do together. Breathe in. Close your mouth. Continue your own rhythm, some long and deep breaths. Just suppose there is very small space left in your nose and you are exhaling very slowly. That is the main key of practicing this pranayama. Okay, let's do together. During practicing pranayama, make your facial muscles relaxed and calm. That is very important. Keep smiling. No need of any hurry. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं. Your eyes are closed. Continue. One more round. After this round, Vishram, relax. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your forehead, your facial muscles. Gentle smile on your face. Relax. And slowly and gradually, okay? Open your eyes. Very good. Good. Here. Very good. So now, see, our immunity is directly linked with our stress level. You know this? जितना ज्यादा हमारी बॉडी में तनाव होता है, हमारी इम्यूनिटी उतनी ही इम्पैक्ट होती है. So with the help of practicing pranayama, we are actually becoming de-stressed. Yeah, we are releasing the stress out of the body, and automatically our immunity will improve. Yes, जितना अच्छे से हम प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, हमारा मन शांत होता है, और हमारा मन शांत होता है, हम तनाव मुक्त हो जाते हैं, और जब हम तनाव मुक्त होते हैं तब हमारी रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता बढ़ जाती है. Yes, very good. So now we will perform a very important pranayama. You all must know about it, but today we will do this with some very attention on the breath. This is called Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Okay, so we'll make Chinna Mudra with our left hand. I am going to tell you a very important secret. Always practice Anulom Viloma with right hand. हमें हमेशा अनुलोम विलोम राइट हैंड से प्रैक्टिस करना है. Never practice with left hand. तो लेफ्ट हैंड से हम चिन्ह मुद्रा बना लेंगे. This is called ज्ञान मुद्रा or mudra of knowledge also. With left hand, place this left hand on your thigh and will perform Anulom Viloma with right hand. So bend your first two fingers in. Only our thumb and ring finger will be out like this. Very good. Very nice. So what we will do, as I will say, inhale, will block our right nostril with our right hand thumb and will inhale with left nostril only. हम केवल बाईं नासिका से सांस लेंगे. Then we block our left nostril with ring finger and exhale with right nostril और right nostril से सांस छोड़ेंगे. Then right से सांस लेंगे. Right nostril को बंद करके left से छोड़ेंगे. Left से सांस लेंगे. Breathe in. लेफ्ट को बंद करके राइट से छोड़ेंगे. राइट से सांस लेंगे. ब्रीथ इन. लेफ्ट से छोड़ेंगे. इनहेल विद लेफ्ट. एक्सहेल विद राइट. Inhale with right. Exhale with left. Soundless breathing is very important. आपकी श्वास बहुत ही शांत, स्टेबल होनी चाहिए. Your focus, just focus. If it is not that type of breath right now, it's okay. With practice, it will come. Continue taking breaths in and out in your own rhythm. Alternative nostril breathing. Keep taking long and deep breaths in and out. लंबे और गहरे श्वास लेते रहिए और छोड़ते रहिए.
We are almost done with the session. If any participants want to ask any question and answer, just please drop your questions in the chat box. Thank you.
Keep doing. And as you exhale with the left nostril, जैसे ही आप left nostril से श्वास छोड़ोगे, after that you can relax. उसके बाद आप relax कर सकते हो. आंखें बंद रखें. Relax your body. You can lie down on your wherever you are sitting. You can lie down for 2-3 minutes for final relaxation or shavasana, completely on your back. You can lie down for 2-3 minutes and just keep listening to the instructions. Yes, relax your body. विश्राम करें. Whole attention inside your body. पूरा ध्यान शरीर के भीतर. इस वक्त relax your whole body.
Yes, Isha, thank you for the wonderful session. I really thank all the participants who have been joining and taking participation very actively. And we have more than 50 plus participants today. So it is very good participation, I feel. And so this was Miss Isha Sharma. So can we run the last this poll, Isha? Shall I run that?
Yes. If there are any questions, queries, they can ask. And
Yes,
those
they
who are
can.
lying down, simply just turn to your right side and simply just sit with the help of your hands. Slowly you can sit up. Always turn to the right, then sit up. Very good. Wonderful. So I could see two people, Krishna ji and Sangeeta ji, those who were with me, and I was able to see there in the video. They were doing
Yes,
very
yes,
nicely. Very
yes, yes,
thank you so much.
yes.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
so
Isha.
I'm here, Shruti.
Yes,
The
yes. I'll be running the poll now. The poll is there on. So I just
we
want.
are going yeah, over to you, Shruti. Over
Yes,
to you.
yes. I'm running the poll, Isha. So let's
Yeah.
see. Yeah. So we have just a few more seconds left. Then I can share the results. So people are participating in the voting as well.
Wonderful.
Yeah. So it was good today. 50 plus participants were there and they really enjoyed the session.
I hope it will be actually, it should be beneficial for everyone. Keep practicing all these things regularly. And I am there with you always. If you have later, if you have queries or questions, you can connect with me or just for heart. Yeah.
Yes, Isha, the poll is results are there. I just share the results.
Okay. Oh, wonderful. Lovely. This is the right answer, Shruti.
Yes, yes.
Beautiful,
So people were
beautiful.
hearing well. They
Very good.
understood what is actually pranayam. Yes.
Very good. So India breathe properly. India is breathing properly. So it is no virus can hit us. Yeah, our immunity is going to boost. Definitely, we'll fight this situation.
Yes, yes,
Definitely.
yes. Thank you, Isha. Thank you very much.
Your participation, everyone.
Yes, thank you. So that was Miss Isha.
So there are some questions I'm getting, Shruti.
Yes, yes,
Can I quickly give them answers?
yes. I'll just check.
So,
Give me 1 second.
yeah.
So for the first question is, how long should we practice pranayam daily? So what is the time span that we need to practice pranayam?
Yes. So the time span, it completely depends upon you. How much time, how long we should practice pranayama. See, so each pranayama, as we have done this we have done Bhastrika pranayama today. We have done this 15, 15, 15, in three counts, in 3 rounds we have done. Yes. So it completely depends. Like it depends upon your breathing length, how long you can take breaths. It can, in fact, you can take breaths till 10 counts. You can start with 5 counts, then 6 counts, then 7 counts, then 10 counts. It completely depends upon you, like how long you should breathe. And then comes how long we should practice pranayama. So I request twice a day is enough. Twice a day you can do, like in the morning and in the evening you can do pranayama. And always practice pranayama except anulom viloma. We should practice pranayama on empty stomach, or at least there should be 3 hour gap between our uh, pranayama practice and food.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Thank you, Isha. And the
Yeah.
second question is, can we get this video for future reference? So we
Yes.
have done this live session on Facebook, and also you can follow us on YouTube where you can see this video. Okay. So these were the questions from the
Yes.
participants. Thank you, Isha. Thank you very much.
Okay,
And
everyone.
now
Keep practicing.